Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with a severe weather update for the Day One Outlook. First off, I apologize for not having the video this morning. I overslept this morning and then I volunteered this morning, so, things happen, but I'm here now, so let's get to it. We have a slight risk for severe weather today. Hold on. Come on. Okay, there we go. Sorry, had a little technical problem. But anyway, we have a slight risk today that encompasses far southeastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, northwestern Nebraska, and south central South Dakota. Cities in today's slate include Scotch Bluff, Nebraska, Mitchell, South Dakota, Sterling, Colorado, Huron, South Dakota, and Torrington, Wyoming. And we have five marginals today, one covering east central and northeastern New Mexico, far northwestern Texas, the far western part of the Oklahoma Panhandle, eastern Colorado, eastern Wyoming, parts of Nebraska, parts of South Dakota, southern Minnesota, northern Iowa, and a tiny bit of southwest Wisconsin. A second marginal today covers southwestern Texas. A third marginal today covers south central and eastern Texas, most of Louisiana, most of Arkansas, most of Mississippi, western Tennessee, and far southeastern Missouri. The fourth marginal today covers north central Florida, most of Georgia, eastern Alabama, eastern Tennessee, the northwestern half of South Carolina, and western North Carolina. And the fifth and final marginal today covers far southeastern New York State, the northern half of New Jersey, and parts of central and eastern Pennsylvania, including my area. So, cities in today's marginal include New York, Memphis, Tennessee, Charlotte, North Carolina, Denver, Colorado, and Atlanta, Georgia. Excuse me. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have two areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today, one covering east central Wyoming and northwestern Nebraska. And the second 2% tornado risk area today encompasses southern and eastern Texas, much of Louisiana, most of Arkansas, much of Mississippi, western Tennessee, and far southeastern Missouri. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Memphis, Tennessee, Corpus Christi, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Jackson, Mississippi. Going to the wind for today, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, covering northeastern Colorado, parts of northwest Nebraska, and south central South Dakota. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Mitchell, South Dakota, Sterling, Colorado, and Huron, South Dakota. There are five areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering east central and northeastern New Mexico, far northwestern Texas, the far western part of the Oklahoma Panhandle, eastern Colorado, eastern Wyoming, parts of Nebraska, much of South Dakota, southern Minnesota, northern Iowa, and a tiny bit of southwest Wisconsin. A second 5% wind risk today covers southwestern Texas. The third 5% area today covers southern and eastern Texas, most of Louisiana, the northwestern half of Mississippi, most of Arkansas, western Tennessee, and far southeast Missouri. The fourth 5% wind risk today covers north central Florida, most of Georgia, eastern Alabama, the northwestern half of South Carolina, western North Carolina, and eastern Tennessee. And the fifth 5% wind risk today covers far southeastern New York State, the northern half of New Jersey, and central and east central Pennsylvania, including my area. Shading the 5% wind risk areas today include New York, Memphis, Tennessee, Charlotte, North Carolina, Denver, Colorado, and Atlanta, Georgia. Going to the hail for today, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering far southeastern Wyoming, northwestern Nebraska, and south central South Dakota. Shading the 15% hail risk today why'd you do that to me? Shading the 15% hail risk area today include Scotts Bluff, Nebraska, Mitchell, South Dakota, and Torrington, Wyoming. Okay? There are 3 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, one covering southwestern Texas, another covering eastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, parts of Nebraska, much of South Dakota, southern Minnesota, northern Iowa, and a bit of southwest Wisconsin. And the third and final 5% hail risk today covers far southeastern New York State, far southeastern New York State, northern New Jersey, and east central Pennsylvania, including my area. It also includes central Pennsylvania. But like I said, I'm in east central Pennsylvania, so I am included in the 5% hail risk. Shading the 5% hail risk areas today include New York, Newark, New Jersey, Jersey City, New Jersey, Yonkers, New York, and Paterson, New Jersey. So, in summary, scattered areas of severe thunderstorm development are possible today into tonight, accompanied by potential for severe hail and wind across parts of the Great Plains, the upper Midwest, the Texas coastal plain into the lower Mississippi Valley, as well as a portion of the northern mid-Atlantic. So, that's the day one outlook. And again, I apologize for being very late with the day one outlook. Had some bad luck this morning because I woke up later than usual, and I volunteered this morning. So, yeah. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, even in the marginals, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms, and my day 2 outlook will come out very soon. And by the way, I will be filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks today, since he is very busy. So, I will do the day 2 outlook and cover for SPC Convective Outlooks today. So, stay safe, take care.